Hey friends, my name is Sudarshan Bharat, socio-political analyst and senior faculty for civil services. Today, Union Public Service Commission exam dates for 2020 has been announced. That means on June 5th, 2020 in the official website of Union Public Service Commission. Civil services aspirants can check out the revised schedule for UPSC 2020 here, and where the civil services preliminary examination will be held on 4th October 2020 on Sunday, and at the same time the mains examination will be conducted on 8th January 2021. The prelims examination is on the 4th, conducted on the 4th October 2020, and whereas the mains examination will be conducted on 8th January 2021. And next, the personality test for civil services mains 2019 for remaining candidates are being resumed from, that is 20th July 2020, and that candidates will be informed later by directly Union Public Service Commission, definitely informed personally. And then the one more important thing is Indian Forest Service examination, preliminary examination will be conducted on the same day of civil services IAS prelims examination, that is 4th October 2020, and at the same time the Indian Forest Service mains examination will be conducted on 28th February 2021. That's on Sunday maybe, so that is also most important. And the UPSC also informed that there will be a 30-day gap between the UPSC exam dates being announced and the civil services exam being held. So aspirants will have enough time to prepare. The date for UPSC Forest Service examination, both the prelims and the mains examination also been released today. So that exam will also on that 4th October 2020, and this one also mains is 28th maybe. And the main three important points you should remember always and verified on the UPSC official website. So what are those? The prelims examination of the civil services will be conducted on 4th October 2020, and the mains examination of the civil services 8th January 2021, that means next year. And where the personality test, the remaining candidates for the civil services who qualified mains examination 2019 will be conducting from 20th July 2020 onwards. So one of these toughest exams in the world, the UPSC civil services prelims gets around 10 lakh aspirants, that means people registering for it every year, but this year much more, and it comprises two stages, the civil services prelims and the civil services mains exam. And while the UPSC prelims has objective questions only, and the UPSC main examination including a written exam and an interview around, so enough time to prepare for the prelims and mains examination. So in my view, where a new aspirant also, a talented aspirant also must be satisfied with that of examination time gap. So today is June 5th, and where the examination completely July, August, September, October, 4 months period is there. So dear students and aspirants, you must prepare very hardly and very in a systematic manner examination point of view. So further details you have to follow my official YouTube channel. This one only will give the important particulars how to prepare the civil services prelims examination and mains examination and related to personality test also. So please subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel. Thank you everybody.